Hey there everybody, Matt McGonigal here with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz in Bloomington, Minnesota. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This particular car is finished in GT Silver Metallic on a red Bordeaux leather interior. The engine is a 420 horsepower flat 6, 368 pound-feet of torque, pushing all that to all four wheels with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission Porsche PDK. Being that this vehicle is mid-engine, the car is equipped with a frunk or a front trunk. The front trunk on this vehicle is about 4.7 cubic feet of storage. Additionally, you do have the rear seats as well, which can fit smaller occupants as well as any of your other personal belongings. This car does have an extensive options list. Starting with up front here, we do have the Porsche Dynamic Light System, or PDLS. That's going to be the dynamic curving lights that allow you to go around corners, also with automatic high beams and a few other lighting features. On the side here, you're also going to notice you have the black Carrera S wheels. Also, being an S model, you do have the red painted calipers, giving it a little bit of a more sporty appearance on the road. Upon entry into the cabin, one of the first things you're going to notice is the extensive carbon fiber trim throughout the car. Carbon fiber is going to be located on the door panels, the center console here, as well as the door sills themselves. Additionally, the car is fitted with the optional extended leather package. What that's ultimately going to get you here is an extended leather dash, as well as sun visors and a few other goodies, including the Porsche crest fitted to each one of the seats. The car is also fitted with the sports package as well as sports chronos package. What that's ultimately going to get you here is going to be an active exhaust, of course, launch control, as well as a lap timer fitted right on top of the dash here. You're also going to have the 18-way adaptable sports seats. It's going to give you adjustable side bolsters, bottoms, lumbar support. Some other things you're going to notice inside of the cabin are the Burmester high-end surround sound system. That option alone was about a $5,000 option from the factory, providing you with an incredible sound experience going down the road. Being that this car is a cabriolet or a convertible, you do have, of course, all of your top controls located right here in the center console. You're going to have an up-down button as well as a wind deflector that will pop up when needed. Once again, my name is Matt here at Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicles in our inventory, please go ahead and reach out to us on the web at feldmannimports.com or go ahead and give us a call at 952-837-6300. Once again, that's going to be 952-837-6300. Thank you again.